Work-related gendered violence can have a really devastating impact in the workplace. We know that it can lead to not only physical but psychological harm as well.
It's any behaviour that is directed at an individual because of their gender, sex or sexual orientation, or because they do not prescribe to social norms, and that is a serious risk to health and safety. There's certain drivers of gendered violence, like people who have high contact with members of the public, organisations where there are significant power imbalances.
We know that work-related gendered violence is really on the rise, and employers have a responsibility to not only eradicate the root causes of gendered violence, but to create cultures that really promote safety and inclusion, which is why WorkSafe, through the WorkWell Respect program, has set up this initiative. The WorkWell Respect Fund and the WorkWell Respect Network have been set up to really target the root causes of gender-based violence, including sexual harassment, as a preventable OHS risk.
The Respect Fund is really designed to bring together organisations who work in partnership to deliver large-scale primary prevention programs, really influencing leaders as change makers within organisations.
We are funding 5 large-scale projects that will target high-risk industries to prevent work-related gendered violence. We're focusing on healthcare and social assistance, education and training, local government and legal services.
The Respect Fund is really about working within sectors to design, trial and test interventions to prevent gendered violence. It's really building the evidence that we can then share through the learning network more broadly across the Victorian community.
The WorkWell Respect Network is going to bring together a consortium of industry leaders from across Victoria to help build, share and disseminate ideas about what it takes to really address gender-based violence in the workplace. The goal is to support workplace leaders from across Victoria through events, resources and learning opportunities to build their understanding and capacity to create safe and mentally healthy workplaces. It's being led by the Sir Zelman Cohen Centre, part of Victoria University, who specialise in law and cultural diversity. It's going to target a really wide range of high-risk industries like operations and retail, through to information communications technology, insurance and finance.
A key aspect of the program is to drive system-level change and really challenge the structural drivers that enable work-related gendered violence. We'd like to see these projects have lasting change that extend well beyond the project end date.